guys, here I am at Panago Pizza, which I hear has vegan pizza, day of cheese, and even vegan meatless options, like meatless meat. I'm excited about it, so I'm here, gonna try this. I'm gonna go in and buy some.
So we have a vegan deluxe pizza.
Like this walk-in special is obviously, can that be veganized or no? It could?
Well, no, we
No?
like not allowed to do that, but like you would want day of cheese and meat-free pepperoni.
Yeah.
No, go for it. Just day of cheese.
So you guys normally charge more for the day of cheese?
Yeah.
Really? Like it's, what's it? Pizza Nova charges the same price. They don't charge extra.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, but they don't have any meatless meat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
it's
but
the meatless too.
Who makes it? Do you know? It's like a meatless pepperoni.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know who makes it?
But no.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is it any good? I'll try it. I mean. Alright guys, I am home now and I have the pizza. I might need to warm it up a little bit because it took me like 25 minutes to get home from there. But I was anxious to try Panago Pizza and I happened to be in the area. So this is the walk-in pepperoni special, but she gave me the vegan version for the same price, which she wasn't supposed to, she said, but hey. Okay, so she wasn't sure, as you may have heard, the brand of the vegan pepperoni, but there we go. There's the Panago pizza. Looks great. Alright, so this was the large for $10, veganized, and you can see some of the pepperoni pieces underneath the day of cheese. I'm going to take a bite, although I think I'm going to want to warm it up. Lots of day of cheese. Tastes really delicious, guys. Super delicious. I think what I'm going to do is put it in the oven a little bit just to warm it up. I mean, even now it's still warm, but I like it a little warmer. But the sauce, everything on here tastes great. They do offer the vegan sauces. I mean, I think all their sauces are vegan. Let me just take a bite right here of the meatless pepperoni. It's really good. Nice and spicy like pepperoni should be. It smells like regular pepperoni. I mean, I wouldn't think that this wasn't pepperoni. Guys, this is really delicious. So there you go, Panago vegan pizza. They have like, I think vegan deluxe. They have, obviously you can build your own. They have different options, but I lucked out with the $10 special for a veganized pepperoni pizza, which would normally cost a lot more. So check out Panago if you can, if it's near you. I'm loving this pizza. I'm gonna go enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Look at that ooey gooey cheese. I'm just really liking day of cheese a lot more than I used to. I also have to point out that the crust tastes delicious. This whole pizza is a really delicious pizza, and knowing you can get your vegan meatless options on here makes this it's preferable to me than the Pizza Nova. Really, really delicious crust, delicious sauce. Cheese combination on here is delicious. The pepperoni is delicious. It's all A++. Thank you, Panago Pizza, and thanks for watching.